Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this smartphone. Start by going into settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Finally, click on device name and type wherever you wish to. I will go with Snowman. When you're ready, select OK over here and confirm your choice by tapping OK in this pop-up. And now, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!